Welcome to 7979 Herzog Court. This is a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that resides on a cul-de-sac, and it's 2,000 square feet. This home has an incredible location. We're half a mile from Holley-Navarre Elementary, 1.2 miles to Holley-Navarre Middle, 2.6 miles to Navarre Highschool, and 3.5 miles to beautiful Navarre Beach. So just a wonderful location here in Navarre, so close to everything. And I believe we are about 15 miles to Hurlburt Field, just to give you a gauge on that as well, if you're military and looking to relocate. We do have a keyless entry coming into this home. So coming into the main foyer area, our first 2 bedrooms are located on the front side of the house here. And just in between these 2 bedrooms, we do have a full bathroom. This bathroom here has a shower tub combo. And then on the front side of the house here, we have our second bedroom. Blinds throughout this home as well, with nice sized closets in all the bedrooms. This home has been freshly painted as well, all new paint throughout, and the carpet has just been cleaned. So on our left here, we have a very nice sized formal dining area. They are utilizing this as an office, as you can see. Nice spacious feeling in here. We do have vaulted ceilings. Always opens it up very nicely. So open floor plan. Great size living room here that flows nicely into the kitchen. We have some plant shelves as well with some dividers kind of dividing the space here. Very spacious kitchen. Seating for 4, a nice sized breakfast nook in this kitchen with an island. We do have a pantry as well as stainless steel appliances, electric cooktop with built-in microwave, and a fridge with ice and water dispenser. Nice and open here to the living room. Just off the kitchen, we do have our laundry room as well as our garage entry. And into the master suite, conveniently located off the kitchen. They do have a queen size bed in here. You have plenty of room to get a king size bed in this room. As you can see, nice size here with the sofa they have in here as well. And very spacious master bathroom. We do have a double vanity, a garden tub, and a separate walk-in shower. We also have a walk-in closet and a really nice sized linen closet as well in here. I will take you to the 2 additional bedrooms located on the back side of the house. All right. So on the right side here, we have our 4th bedroom. And then the room just right next to this one here, it does have a slider going out to the patio. This would make for a great pool room if you needed that. If you wanted to add a pool to this backyard, there's plenty of room for that. We also have, I apologize, a nice open lanai here. Fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence as well, and a yard building for some additional storage. All right, I will take y'all back in and give you one last peek at the kitchen and main living area. So let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it or you'd like to set up a private showing. We would love to show you. Again, this is 7979 Herzog Court in Navarre, Florida.